A custom-built masterpiece that combines the luxury of a five-star hotel with the power of a large rig, the 2026 Kenworth Motorhome is a real road monster. Its sleek, aerodynamic body stands in stark contrast to its powerful look, and it is usually constructed on a sturdy Kenworth T680 or W900 chassis. Its powerful hood conceals a powerhouse, usually a Cummins X15 diesel engine or a PACCAR MX-13. Thanks to their massive torque and state-of-the-art fuel-saving technology, which is often combined with a hybrid electric system for maximum efficiency and range. These engines provide more than just reliable power for transportation. This RV's eye-catching grille, brilliant chrome, state-of-the-art LED lighting, and unique body paint make it stand out on the road. As soon as you step behind the wheel, you are greeted by a gorgeous cockpit that combines modern technology with traditional functionality. The traditional dashboard is replaced by a massive 15-inch digital display, which provides the driver with total control and the most recent data. The panel may be set up to show anything from engine diagnostics and navigation to tire pressure and trailer condition. You have all the tools you need to operate the car's systems without ever taking your eyes off the road thanks to the multi-function steering wheel. The ergonomic design, luxurious leather seats with heating and massage capabilities, and top-notch sound system make long travels enjoyable. You are welcomed with a stunning cockpit that blends contemporary technology with classic utility as soon as you get behind the wheel. A huge 15-inch digital display takes the place of the conventional dashboard, giving the driver complete control and the latest recent information. The panel may be configured to display everything from tire pressure and trailer condition to navigation and engine diagnostics. The multi-function steering wheel gives you all the tools you need to control the car's systems without ever taking your eyes off the road. Long trips are made pleasant by the ergonomic design, plush leather seats with heating and massaging features, and excellent sound system. The master bedroom is a comfortable haven. Its luxurious linens, excellent mattress, and full king-size bed make it the perfect retreat after a long day of travel. Numerous walking spaces and innovative built-in storage alternatives are available. With a large flat-screen TV and an independent sound system, the bedroom has been converted into a private movie theater. You may sleep in total darkness or awaken to a stunning morning thanks to the huge windows with blackout curtains. To create a more peaceful atmosphere, you may also change the ambient lighting. The bathroom has the atmosphere of a private spa. It has a huge shower with a glass enclosure, a full-size vanity with an expensive countertop, and a porcelain toilet. The shower's many jets and on-demand hot water systems ensure that you never run out of warm water. Ample storage for towels and amenities is seamlessly included into the design. The room is luxurious and surprisingly sanitary thanks to the modern, sleek finishes and cutting-edge technology used in the design. The main attraction of the RV is its kitchen, which is made to satisfy even the most discriminating chef. It has granite or solid surface countertops, a convection microwave oven, an induction cooktop, and a full-size stainless steel refrigerator. A large sink and a pull-down faucet make cleaning simple. Every part is of domestic quality, and the roomy handmade cabinets provide ample space for storing groceries, cookware, and dishes. This is not just a kitchenette. It's a full gourmet kitchen that can be used to rapidly prepare five-star meals.